to my channel. Today topic is Ayata International Airport. Ayata International Airport official named Maharishi Valmiki International Airport. Ayata Dam is an upcoming international airport which will be serve the cities of Ayata and Faizabad state and Uttar Pradesh, India. Airport located adjacent of NH27 and NH330 at Naga Faizabad in Ayata district. Government of Uttar Pradesh signed memorandum of the understanding MOU with the Airport Authority of India AAA February 2014 for the developing airport. Construction began on airport in February 2022 and will be inaugurated by Prime Minister of Narendra Modi on 30 December 2023 with the flight operation beginning from 10 January 24. In 2021, Government of Uttar Pradesh changed name of airport after Lord Ram, who was born in Ayata but the greater representative of Ramayana based theme airport. December 2023 name was the again changed time of after Maharishi Valmiki attribute the author of Ramayana. Ayata International Airport, airport type public owner, Government of India operator, airport Authority of India, Sir Ayata Faizabad, location Faizabad, Ayata district, Uttar Pradesh, India. Open 30 December 2023, 0 day time. Elevation AM SR 102 by M, 135 feet, coordinate 20 degree, 45 12 N 082 0901 E. Development effort of Ministry of Civil Aviation. In 2012, former Prime Minister Civil Aviation Ajit Singh announced to develop 3 existing airports at the Faizabad, Moradabad and Meerut to increase regional connectivity by air to improve connectivity of socio-economic development and tourism in the state. Singh cited that Ministry of Civil Aviation had asked the Chief Minister Uttar Pradesh Akhilesh Yadav to provide ministry with land to set up 9 airports across Uttar Pradesh and said having more airport would be generate employment and economic growth in the state. Development under low-cost airport. Endeavor to provide connectivity to different part of India developed by low-cost airport. Most important component instruction have been used by Airport Authority of India AAA to identify most suitable low-cost model for developed smaller airport and to develop airport smaller cities based on this mode of part of government UDAN scheme. Handing over to Airport Authority of India. 2008, Government of Uttar Pradesh had issued a formal order allowing the landing and parking of private aircraft former Indian airspace airstrip against fee of according to government order to any private aircraft can land by paying 500 rupees. There will be no parking charge will be first 2 hours, after which rupees of 200 will be charged per. Government gave to airstrip private investor to pilot training aircraft maintenance engineering institute. Procedure followed by earlier to obtain permission of using airstrip used to be long. The owner private aircraft had to be contact the respective district and magistrate would be a further contact director which would be take the measure record to landing aircraft. 2013 government approved by transfer airstrip Faizabad AA to be developed full-fledged airport along with the 3 other Meerut, Moradabad and Saifa and the instruction state cabinet of government of provide extra land free for cost further expansion and construction for the terminal. 2018 state government under Yogi Adityanath announced expansion of the airstrip Faizabad. The government approved to develop international airport and transacted 2 billion rupees for acquisition land. Land acquisition began from November 2021 and construction began on the airport February 2022. In April 2022, the government announced that the airport would be become operational before completion. Ram Mandir 2024, December 2023, airport construction was began completed and with the finishing work testing ongoing as the only remaining task to done. Airport will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi 30 December 2023 with the flight operation beginning from 10 January 2024 to be started. Indigo as the commercial airline to connect Delhi Ahmedabad. The initial distinction structure runway. The existing airstrip runway was the 1500 meters, 4900 feet and the long 30 meters, 980 feet and wide of which capable enough to only 9-seater aircraft like Dornier. 228 2018 Airport Authority of India AA had started acquisition around 284 acres under the 115 hectare and more land can make the airport handle 200 seat Airbus and A321 aircraft response for the November same year. Government of Uttar Pradesh decided to acquire more than 280 acres and land to around the airstrip with a widened runway to allow landing larger aircraft. Projected runway would be 2500 meter, 8200 feet long and 45 meter, 148 feet wide with the 100 to 150 m wide set of area of each side runway. The construction would be done by 2 phases with a plan planned third phase. Length of runway would be 2250 meter first phase, while in the second phase length would be increased by 300 125 meter. Third phase will be planned to extend to another 625 meter. It would be taking overall length to 3750 meter, making the airport capable for handling large aircraft like Airbus 380. Runway will be equipped with the facility to allow night landing aircraft such as instrument landing system ILS, Doppler very high frequency range, omnidirectional range DVR, distance measuring equipment DME from the first phase runway developed by only Terminal 1 will be first terminal of the airport as the part of first phase will be airport and developed by it will cover by area 6500 square mm will be accommodated 3000 passengers during peak hour and handle around 1 million passengers in annually. It will be having apron suitable parking for Airbus A320 type of aircraft. Within its premise of it will be taking parking of space vehicle approach and road from the nearby highway, fuel farm, fuel station, air traffic control ATC tower and other ancillary facility terminal. Along with the first phase of the airport will be handled flight from the 10 January 2020. Terminal 2 will be second terminal of the airport as part of second phase of the airport developed by it will be cover on area 30,000 square meter and which will be later than expanded to 50,000 square meter and it will be able to accommodate 3,200 passengers during peak hour and over the 5 to 7 million passengers annually. It will be having 8 aero bridge and apron suitable for the parking, 8 Airbus A320 Boeing 737 aircraft type and both which will be increased 16 part of planned third phase will be airport developed by within it premise of front entrance it will be garden recreation passengers green space larger parking space the terminal 1 along with the utility of facility as the November 2023 terminal along with the second phase airport developed by under bidding process. Terminal 3 will be third terminal of the airport as the part of third final phase airport developed by it will cover the area more than 50,000 square mm will be able to accommodate more than passenger of the terminal 1 and 2. It will take apron suitable for parking 8 wide body and aircraft like that Boeing 777 and Boeing 787 to handle operation within the premises. It will be same garden parking process like terminal 2 and both will be cover more areas compared to terminal 2. It will be also a new air traffic control ATC tower that will be taller and bigger than the one developed in the first phase airport developed by along with a bigger fire station and utility facilities. First phase airport developed by terminal will have passenger amenity of such as 9 check-in counter, 3 conveyor belt and a tactile path of 2 apron. Outside the terminal there will be 4 parking space for vehicle service utility area, 4-lane approach roadway, NH 27 to connect Faizabad and Ayotha fire station and air traffic control ATC tower, technical block of fuel farm, 3 medium scale hotel and 4 upper scale hotel among other ancillary and technical facilities. Second, third and phase of airport developed by further facility will be ordered to make the airport at par with the international standard. Medical college will be also established between terminal 2 and 3. Part of airport master plan created Airport Authority of India AA. Future airport has also been designated portray the local as well as state culture and heritage in order to make visit and over the spiritual, religious and historical influence city of Ayatha wide on Indian society. The design are being etched as murals, artwork and engraved scripture of adoring in the Nagara style of temple architecture depicting symbolism of epic Ramayana and Mahabharata. The architectural style has been adopted also symbolizes Ram Mandir. Mural with the portraits of Lord Rama near the temple entrance along with the other artwork will be one of the prime theme of exterior. Being bullied with the red stone of carved pillar from entrance to inside terminal would be provided an excellent mixture of the old temple architecture with the modern infrastructure. Roof of the terminal measuring 65,000 square feet will be supporting 7 big columns symbolizing 7 gandas big Ramayana. Like the ancient temple of terminal will have rectangular base of the carved pillar or another top symbolized temple of structure. Terminal will be using clean energy to generate electricity will for the sustainable measure to dispose water and conserve water and hence will be eco